farmers to preserve natural resources and to maintain a countryside people want to live in. In my view, agriculture and food production need a new holistic approach. Sustainability of farming is not only about food production or only about protection of natural resources taken separately. It is not only about intensive agriculture versus management of landscape and biodiversity. We need to avoid this simplistic dichotomy. For example, exhausting the soil by blending short-term intensive exploitation in the name of food security is obviously not only bad for environment, it is bad for the very same food security and the economy over the medium to the long term, because we are destroying our own productive basis. So this is why this question of management of natural resources is not only an environmental objective but an economic one. Because if we want to preserve our capacity to produce in 50 years, in 100 years, we have to address now this issue in the same time with the objective to produce food. For a complete picture, we have to add new ingredients such as economy, viable rural communities. Agriculture remains the foundation of our rural economy, even a modern one. Agriculture does not have only a market dimension, but also a territorial one. And this is also a specific issue in European Union, because for our community in Europe, agriculture is important for the market, for the goods produced and sold on the market, but also for the goods produced at territorial level and who are not remunerated by the market. Of course, we have to go beyond agriculture into rural development. We have to diversify agriculture and non-agricultural activities. But we need to preserve agriculture as the fundamental social and economic fabric of our rural societies. All these elements, production, technology, management of natural resources, economic sustainability, and social development of communities are interlinked. And here we have to address also a new perspective of competitive farming. We also need a new understanding of the term of competitiveness in agriculture. Our farming and food production methods have to address both economic and environmental dimensions of competitiveness. Yes, we need to increase the production and productivity. We need to increase production, especially in some parts of the world. But farming is not only about production, and production is not only economic aspect of agriculture. We cannot talk about sustainability without taking our responsibility for the regeneration and management of natural resources.